friends, welcome back to Kamal Infotech. In this video I'm going to tell you how to find out the location of your lost phone. Yes, if you have lost your phone, then you can check the geolocation of your phone, and you can also erase your data from that phone, and you can also secure your device by setting a new password, and you can also ring a bell if your phone is on silent mode. So these are the tricks that I'm going to share with you, and for this you should have a PC and active internet connection. So before starting the video, I'm requesting you that if you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and share this video as much as you can, and if you like this video, please hit the like button. So without any delay, let's get started. So for this you will have to type www.google.com Android device manager, you can see here, and press enter. After pressing enter, you will get an interface like this, and you can see the device name. And for this you will have to log in with your Gmail account that you have signed in your lost device. So I have logged in with that Gmail ID that I have logged in to my device, and you can see the device info is here. So you can refresh it if you are not getting location. Searching for device location, and you can see last seen just now, the location is captured. You can see this circle, this is my device location. I'm clicking on it, and you can see the exact location where is your phone. This is the exact location where is my phone, and by this method you can check your own geolocation, and you can see play sound. Device will ring for 5 times even if set to silent. And you can ring a bell on your mobile which is on silent mode. I am clicking on play sound. And you can see the phone is ringing. I am clicking on stop ring, and the phone ring is stopped now. So by this method you can ring a bell on your silent mode phone, and you can also see this secure device, lock device, and sign in out your Google account. You can also display a message or phone number on the lock screen. You can still locate the device after it is locked. When you click on this, you will get two options. Recovery message, you can send a recovery message, and you can also set a phone number on your device, and you can click on secure device, but I am not going to do that. The next option is erase device. You can erase all data from your device by using this method. Erase all content from the device. After your device has been erased, you cannot locate it. May require sign. If you use this option, then all the data from your device will be erased, and you can erase your personal data by using this method. So these are the tricks and points that I wanted to discuss with you, and by using this method you can check your lost device location. You can play a sound on your mobile if it is on silent mode, and you can also secure your device, and for this you will have to log in with your Gmail account that you have signed in your lost device.